Hello. Guys, are you alright? My name is Tatiana. I'm here to talk about Powerbite, so you must be wondering if the Powerbite really works. Is it good? Is it worth it? What's it for? You are in the right place. I will give you more information about this product, but before talking about Powerbite, I have an alert to help you if you are going to buy this product. I left the official site in the video description so you are not deceived. The mineral candy that supports healthy teeth and gums. Powerbite is the only teeth and gum supporting formula which contains a unique mineral blend in the form of an easy-to-use dental candy. Inside every Powerbite dental candy you'll find a special proprietary blend of plants and minerals carefully mixed together into a powerful formula aimed at protecting and maintaining the health of your teeth and gums, which are calcium carbonate, myrrh, wild mint, xylitol, lysozyme, Mediterranean sea salt, clove oil. Powerbite has natural formula. It is easy to use without stimulants, non-GMO. Order 6 bottles or 3 bottles and get 2 free bonuses. Bonus 1, the 2-minute sparking smile guide. Retail price $55. Today free. A collection of easy tips and tricks that help whiten your teeth and support gums health even faster in less than 2 minutes a day. Bonus 2 total body detox after tooth and gum decay. Retail price $54. Today free. Inside this guide, you'll find natural remedies for helping you focus on detoxing your body once you fix your smile. Every order comes with free shipping too. 97% of customers order 6 bottles, our recommended option. Claim your discounted Powerbite below while stocks last. Our customers are very satisfied with the results. Acquired with Powerbite. 100% satisfaction. 60-day money-back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, then just write to us and we'll refund every single cent. Get your Powerbite now with discounts. Now a very important warning to you. Do not trust buy Powerbite outside the official site, so always buy through the official site where you have right to all the guarantees offered by the producer. So I made this video to help you so you don't have to go through headache. Now I will leave the link of the official site in the video description for you to acquire your Powerbite today. I hope I have helped you and made everything clear to you about the Powerbite. Good, if the video was useful, leave a like and share with a friend. If you have questions, leave in the comments. I will be happy to help you until the next video.